Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and a focusing of a certain item that I got from a website. Well, no chit chat, folks. Let's go and see it. Alright, it's actually from something called Collector's Grade Horror. So no chit chat. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review of an item. Now, what item I'm about to show you? If you see the title, you already know what it is. With that, it's this badass. Say hello to the Trick or Treat Studios Hellraiser Inferno Lament Configuration Replica. But it's the Lament Configuration box from the folks over at Trick or Treat Studios. So yeah, folks. And there's a tagline on top directly from the movie. Let me just zoom out. Welcome to hell. So yeah. And of course, Miramax, yeah, it came out 2 years ago, was it? Or was it sometime this year? This item is not a toy for... item is not a toy for decorative use only. Recommended for children under 17. Read the packagings. But all in all, wall to wall, it's amazing product from the folks over at Trick or Treat Studios. No names on the designers. Yeah, whatever. But all in all, this is a wall-to-wall amazing box. Now, like I said in my previous video, what is your favorite Hellraiser? I'll just show you from here, from this perspective angle. Good design on the Lament configuration. If anybody has seen the Hellraiser movies, please let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, folks, tell me something. You've never seen anything like this before in your whole life. So yeah, this is NRFB. I ain't gonna remove this. And among other things, folks, this is an amazing design. Really. And of course, you do have our star Pinhead, played by the great Doug Bradley, which it was a pleasure to meet him. So yeah, folks. Also, let's give it a shot. And this is one of the Christmas presents I got. This one I got it for myself. The other ones you're about to see in later videos separately, not together. So yeah, it's gonna be later on anyway. So anyway, let me know in the comments what is your favorite Hellraiser movie. But screw Revelations. Revelation had nothing to do with the story of Clive Barker. He was not involved. It just said based on. And it was a terrible, terrible found footage of a movie. Hellraiser Inferno's got either love or hate. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, which had Doug Bradley as Pinhead. He's in all 8 of them. Revelations, not so good. Hellraiser Judgment, Doug Bradley refused to come back, but was played by Paul T. Taylor. And now 2022, and then 2022 we had another Hellraiser movie, but this time it was a female Cenobite, which is a female Pinhead. So yeah, all in all, it was fun. So make that about 10 Hellraiser movies. Screw the 11th one that had actually 9 Hellraiser movies. No, actually, yeah, 10. It's actually 10 Hellraiser movies. Screw Revelations, it wasn't more received. And also, wall to wall, the Lament configuration stayed true to its roots. It has the DNA, you name it, it's there. We have such sights to show you. Welcome to oblivion. Welcome to hell. Ow! The heck? What was that? So, y'all, this is going to be the final video for 2023. See you and hear you in 2024. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Hey, wait a minute. What the hell's going on? What in the hell is this? What the hell? Hey, it's a big idea, man. Where in the hell is this? Ow! Oof. I can't even see anything. What? Where am I? Hold on. Hello, is anyone there? Hello?
Welcome to hell.
Uh-oh.